Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to keep a close eye on your battery life and display the battery percentage on your iPhone, I'm here to show you how to do that. It's a simple tweak, but it can make a big difference, so let's get started. The process is straightforward and I'll guide you through it step by step. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on Battery. You'll see an option labeled Battery Percentage. Toggle the switch to turn it on. Once enabled, the battery percentage will be displayed in the top right corner of the screen next to the battery icon. And that's it. You should now see the battery percentage right next to the battery icon on your status bar. If you're using an iPhone with Face ID like the iPhone X or newer models, you'll find the battery percentage displayed in the control center. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to view it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.